thought you'd be the kind of guy to get a day job. 9 to 5, you're gonna take off.
It's Kenzie. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. If not, I'm really impulsive and I saw this picture on Instagram of this insanely adorable shirt. I'm out of breath because I literally just ran up my stairs. But I'm gonna take this old Stranger Things t-shirt and try and do it. And normally I just like impulsively cut things. So I was like, why don't I record it? If it goes well, like if it doesn't, it's not a big deal. I literally got this at Target. But yeah, so first thing I always do when I'm cutting a t-shirt is I use the seam to my advantage, fold right on that hemline so it's just as big as the line, and then just keep rolling, and it gives me just about as even of a cut as possible. So I used to just kind of go for it and cut it, and then one side would be a little longer than the other. The other tip is that you can always crop more, but you can never get t-shirt back. I'm gonna do like right there. I think it's gonna pull up a little bit anyways when you're wearing it. I'm in a swimsuit, by the way, so I'm not flashing you, promise. There we go, look at that. Okay, so we have our cropped shirt. So we fully just cut down the center, and then I think my plan is, because you need the little strings there, I'm gonna cut fully down, stop in the middle, and then come up on the side, but like do 2 cuts on each, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, I split the shirt in the back. I fucking cut both sides. Holy. Okay, you know what? That's all right. I am gonna just, whatever. So the shirt is fully open, and then we want the little strings to tie it, and they kind of go like halfway. Okay. I can't believe I legit just like cut that whole shirt. Oh my God, I literally cut my shirt in half. Besides the fact that I just cut my shirt fully in half, that's what the front looks like, which is what I wanted. I'll come back to you and show you what this looks like on. Okay, please don't mind the mess in my room. I almost kind of like the split in the back. I know it was an accident, but like, she kind of cute. I do think that in the future, when I do this, I'm gonna make this tie just a little bit lower, like right here. But overall, like for the purpose of upcycling a shirt I don't wear anymore, kind of vibey. Also, my breakfast pooch is coming out, so we'll just tuck her away for now. But like, what in the actual hell? This is so freaking cute. I think I'm gonna do this to one more shirt, and then I will show you the finished product of that one too. Okay, I'm gonna do this to 3 more t-shirts that I really don't wear. Tie-dye fail, an old Billie Eilish t-shirt that's just like the Racer logo. It's pretty boring. And then this shirt, I think it's from Urban Outfitters, but I really don't wear it, so I think it would look edgier if it had like cuts in it. Look at this one. I love it. Like, I would actually probably wear this. What a fun little spring trick. I'm gonna do the 2 other shirts and then I'll get back to you. Guys, look, the Billie Eilish shirt came out so good. Look at how cute. I'm obsessed with this thing. Guys, not to tell you to go cut up your entire closet, but like cut up your entire closet, you know? All right, and then for this one, I didn't want to cut it down the center. I think I just like it being cropped, but so freaking cute. Now I have 4 new cute shirts that I would not have worn. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of craziness, and I really hope you guys go ahead and cut one of your shirts. If you do end up cutting one of your shirts, please DM me on Instagram, send me a picture of it, or you can tweet me a picture of it. My Twitter is kenzie_Harriet. I want to see them. You guys have no idea how much that would mean to me. So yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday for another video. Bye guys.